Hi guys, now we are going to talk about background in CSS. Okay, basically I have a file index.html, all right, and I also have a style.css, and they are basically empty. Then I have a folder named assets, okay, and this assets has an image which I named bg.jpg. Okay, it can be in any file extension if maybe .png, all right, .jpeg, whatever file extension your image has. All I want you to do, just create a file which is index.html and then style.css, and also go ahead and create a folder, and inside that folder just add an image into it, okay, because you're gonna see how we can make use of this as our background in CSS. So I'll just head on to my HTML and I will do the normal process, which is basically shift and press 1 on my keyboard for this MS application to come out, and I can just click on this one, all right, which you already know, and then I will go ahead and import link my CSS, which you guys know already how to do, okay, and I'll click this, and then my CSS name is style.css, which is basically what I have here. In case yours is another thing, just try to change this name here, okay. Let's say we have a paragraph, and this paragraph says welcome to my page, welcome to my page, okay. I'm going to go ahead and save this file. All right, I'll save it, and I already have my my server running, okay, my live server running. So all I have to do is to go to my browser. In case you don't have yours running, just remember to just right click, okay, and then open the live server, okay. Then just have to go to my my browser, and then go ahead and refresh this. In case yours is not showing, mine wasn't showing at first, so I had to refresh it, okay. It came here and said welcome to my page. All right, now we are going to see how we are going to make we are going to apply background color to our whole website, okay. You know, the last video we saw how we can apply background color to perhaps our elements like just paragraph and all the rest of it. Let's say we want the whole website to be in a color, or probably have an image as a background. Okay, let's see how we can go about that. I already have my CSS here. All I have to do is just go to my CSS, and then I will use body. Okay, now why are we using body? Because when you go to the HTML, you will notice that everything we are writing is inside the body. Okay, everything we are writing basically is inside the body. So right now I want the whole website to have a background color. So all I have to do is target the body. Okay, for now, yes, all I have to do is just target the body. Okay, and then coming here, I'll just go ahead and type in background color, and basically you can just check out whatever background you want. Let me say I want this color, okay. I don't know, it says aqua, okay, and then I'll just have to save my file and go to my browser, and I have it showing on my browser. All right, okay, cool. So next thing I have to do right now is to show us how we are gonna make use of maybe we have a picture and we want to make use of a picture as our background, okay, as our background. How are you gonna go about it? Now all I want you to do is just remove this color here, okay, and return only background. All right, just remove the color and return only background, just like this, okay, having your column here. And then I want you to type in URL, okay, URL at this, and then in quotation, if you wish, just type in /, okay, so that it can bring out the folder and the files in the same directory as this file, okay. So I just have to click on this asset because that is basically where my background photo is, okay. Just have to click on it, and then I select this particular one, which is bg.jpg, all right, and then I just have to go ahead and save my file, and then come back to the browser, and I have my image as my background, as you can see, okay. Let's just add some few things, all right. I will normally go ahead and say something like background size, okay, background size, and I will do something like first of all, let me show us something. Let me say cover, okay, of course, let me say cover. Notice what will happen now, okay. The image, like it has to fit in on the screen so much, in the sense that I began to see even this human being here, okay, this person here, and when I try to comment this out, all right, when I try to comment this out, you notice that we do not have the fitting on the screen, okay, even though we have the background, but we do not really have that fitting. So it's advisable to always add something like cover, all right, and you have something like this on your background, which is so awesome. But in case you want to make use of another one, there's something as contain, but let's see how it goes. Okay, now when you do contain, you can see that I have my background repeated. Okay, it is actually small, but then it has repeated pictures. Okay, it's just one picture but being repeated, so that might want me to introduce something like background repeats. Okay, background repeats like this background and repeat, and then I can say something like no repeat, means that there shouldn't be any repetition on my background, and it shows me only one image. But basically this is not what we want. Okay, we really want it to be to cover the whole whole screen. Okay, that's why I will have to change this thing to from being that to cover. Okay, from its content to being cover, and then coming back to your web, you see we have it also. So this is actually how you can add background photo to your website, and whatever photo you wish to have. Okay, just go ahead and add it, and you will just have the best look on it. Thank you so much. See you right in the next episode.